So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. So, this is my report on structural theory. The problem with 4/3. The boom DP of the GIB crane and the column of DE have a uniform weight of 50 pounds feet. It's the boys and load weight 300 pounds. Determine the internal normal force, shear force, and bending moment in the crane at point A, B, C, and C. So, nakikita sa problem is kung paano natin kukunin ang normal force, internal normal force, shear force, and bending moment in the crane. So, yung point A and B and C. So, makikita natin sa ibaba yung equation of equilibrium for point A. So, meron tayong horizontal positive, which is submission of force X is equal to 0, and positive vertical, which is submission of force Y is equal to 0. At meron namang positive na submission of moment A is equal to 0. So, makikita sa figure sa right natin yung ating isosolve. So, which is, halimbawa itong NA, sa figure natin, so dapat may figure 1 ito. So, NA is equal to 0. So napapansin ninyo is meron tayong sagot sa baba. Yung baba ng figure is meron tayong figure doon na sinusolve. So, doon tayo magbe-base. So, VA is minus 150, yung 50 na load, times 3 yung distance, is equal to 150 pounds. So, 150 pounds. So, yung 150 pounds is ima-minus natin yung 300. So, nakikita nyo dito is BA minus 150 pounds minus 300 equal to 0. So, BA is equal to 450 pounds. Dahil meron din siyang load na 30 pounds pababa. Then, meron din tayong inad na 150, which is yung load na ni-times natin sa distance. So, next naman is kukunin natin yung moment at A. So, meron tayong negative moment at A minus yung 150 times 1.5 kasi kalahati lang ng point A. So, makikita sa figure na meron tayong hinati yung 3, which is 1.5, minus yung 300 na loads times yung distance na 3 mula sa point A. Doon tayo kasi nagbo-focus ng moment natin, nagpo-focus. So, moment at A is equal to 1,125 pounds feet equal to 1.125 feet. So, next is negative sign indicates that moment at A acts in the opposite direction to that shown on FBD or figure body diagram. So, equation of equilibrium for point B. So, same sa nauna is meron tayong positive vertical is submission of force X is equal to 0, Fx is equal to 0, and positive horizontal submission of force Y is equal to 0, and positive submission of moment at A is equal to 0. So, ang NB natin is equal to 0. So, which is VV is minus, kasi meron din tayong same sa nauna, meron tayong figure sa ibaba, yung paano natin kunin yung sa point B. So, meron tayong VV is equal to 550 minus 300. So, saan ba nanggaling itong 550 na ito? So, ito yung load natin na meron tayong 50. So, dahil nagsimula tayo sa point B na tayo is meron tayong distance na 11. So, 11 times 50 is equal to 550 pounds. So, tingnan nyo lang mabuti yung nasa figure natin, yung answer natin na figures. So, makikita kung paano natin nakuha yung 550. So, kukunin natin yung VV. So, dahil wala siyang vertical, so horizontal. So, VB minus 550, yung loads natin, times sa distance, minus yung 300 equal to 0. Yung 300 na dating pounds natin. So, load. So, VV is equal to 850 pounds. So, dahil nakuha na natin yung B sa horizontal is, kukunin naman natin yung moment niya, which is, nag-moment tayo sa B. So, ang mangyayari dyan is, magiging negative moment at B minus 500 times 5.5 yung distance, then minus 300 dahil nasa B tayo is ita times natin sa 11 yung distance ng point B sa 300 na loads. So ang answer is moment at B is equal to negative 6,325 pounds feet equal to negative 6.325 kip feet. So negative yung sagot niya. So next is negative sign indicates that moment at B acts opposite direction to that shown on figure body diagram. So equation of equilibrium sa point C naman tayo. So makikita dun sa left side is meron tayong figure dun kung paano natin sinolve itong point C. So gaya nung nauna is meron tayong vertical na positive submission of force X is equal to 0. Then, next naman is positive horizontal, which is submission of force Y is equal to 0. At meron tayong positive or pwedeng maging negative na moment. Depende sa pag-moment is, moment of C is equal to 0. So, BC is equal to 0. So, dahil sa point C tayo nag-moment, is magiging negative NC is minus 250. Yung loads natin na 250. Then, meron naman minus 650. Yung 650 is nanggaling siya sa... So, yung 650 is nanggaling siya sa... Yung 50 na loads natin, ni-multiply natin mula siya sa point C, is ni-multiply natin dun sa distance na 13, yung 6.5 na dalawa. So, magiging 650. So, yung 250 naman is mula naman yun sa distance ng height na 5. So, 5 times 50 is 250. So, kaya natin nakuha yung 250 pati 650. So, i-minus naman natin yung 300, which is yun na yung standard load na nauna is equal to 0. So, NC natin is equal to negative 1,200 pounds is equal to negative 1.2 kip. So, next is kukunin natin naman yung moment at C. So, negative moment at C is equal to 650. Yung dating ni-multiply natin sa 30 na distance na loads, i-multiply naman natin sa kalahati nung distance na 13. So, 6.5 minus yung 300 times 1.3, which is yung... So, itong 1.3 is, na ita-times natin sa 300 is nakuha natin sa point C pataas, yung distance niya na 5, yung height na 5. So, mula sa point C, nung distance papunta sa 300, yung gap nila is meron tayong 1/4 ng point, yung 1/4 ng 5 feet. So, meron tayong 1.3. So, negative moment at C minus 650 times 6.5 minus 300 times 1.3 is equal to 0. So, moment at C is equal to negative 8,125 pounds feet equal to 8.125 kip feet. So, next is negative signs indicates that NC and moment at C acts in the opposite direction to that shown on figure diagram. So, dito sa right is makikita natin kung paano ba natin kinuha mula sa point A and B and C, kung paano natin kinuha yung mga supports. So, pinapakita dito sa problem na ito is kung paano natin isosolve yung mga loads na kukunin natin So, pinapakita lang dito sa problem na ito. So, makikita sa figure sa left side is kung paano natin kukunin yung support mapa moment, vertical, and horizontal. So, makikita from point A, point B, and point C kung paano natin kukunin yung mga loads into support. loads para makuha yung support niya. So, yun lamang po at maraming salamat.